Okay, everybody, welcome to the third part of this series of tutorials where we are building our robot. In your case, you will have this document available on your assignment, and you will need to follow step by step in building your robot. Okay, the important thing is that you follow steps clearly. Make sure you have all the components, all the nuts and bolts are placed correctly, and you develop the robot. Okay, the wiring will be done in our next tutorial. Okay, now this is part of it has two parts. Like, you have to assemble the physical robot, but you will also need to complete all your design on Tinkercad. So everything you do, and here somebody like in your team, or if you will have to measure everything and try to complete everything so it looks kind of like this at the end. So at the end, you will need, using Tinkercad, all the elements that are on the robot. Okay, just so you know, it's going to be pretty simple doing you don't have to do the wheels and the motors from scratch. As a matter of fact, you can find the wheels, and you can find the wheels right over here on Tinkercad. Okay, you can find the wheels right over here, and you can start playing with the wheels, just kind of like modifying a little bit so you can get of course you will need to change some of the dimensions, just because we need to work on the dimensions. Okay, so here are the wheels, and for the robots, if you go to circuits, components, component circuits, here you have the robot that we are actually using in our model. Okay, so you just have to take it out and assemble it with the wheel that you have over here. As a matter of fact, it kind of matches perfect, and the idea is that you will be graded in this section the more precise and how it looks. Okay, so if it looks very similar to the real one, you will get a higher grade, higher score. So make sure you can modify the colors, etc., and have a really nice and cool design. Okay, so the idea is that at the end you have something with everything. Okay, make sure you have the freewheel on the back. This one is not created by Tinkercad, so you will have to design it using your creativity and design skills. Okay, so the wheel on the back, you can modify it yourself. Okay, make sure you have the nuts and bolts created. There is, and then this is something that I'll leave for you to discover, there is a way to create bolts and place them here. Okay, so look on Tinkercad and make sure, if you can, adding nuts and bolts to your design. This will be very interesting. Okay, so good luck with that, and we'll just have this posted at the end. This is going to be the last one, so you can complete it. Okay, so good luck, and I hope to see really interesting and cool designs.